So now let's see how we can work around with bend and corner pin effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to work around with that, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and I'm going to go around and expand out the effects choice, and then I'm going to go around and select out let's say the distort option right here. And here you can see that bend is an effect. So if I were to go around and click and drag this onto the footage right here, then what happens is that I get the bend effect, and there's properties that you can change to change around the nature of the bend. So you can go around and change around the horizontal intensity of the bend. You can change the horizontal rate of the bend, change the width of the bend as well, and the vertical intensity as well. Apart from that, you can change around the vertical rate right here and the vertical width over here, just like this as well. And that is how you can change around the bend effect as you like. Let me just go around and delete this, and then go around under effects again. And apart from that, you can also go around and add in corner pin effect to your video. Let me just go around and drag this out over here. And now what does the corner pin allow is it allows you to go around and bend out. So let's say, for example, you can see that you can go around and change around the upper left corner right here. So you can just go around and then change this out. Let's just go around and say 100 over here, just like this. And then it changes this around. As you can see, you can go around and click and drag this around, and you can adjust out the corners, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around over here, the upper left corner from the top hand side, you can go around and bring it down right here by clicking and dragging, or by changing or typing out the value itself, like 200, and then it goes 200 pixel down. Upper left corner, let's just go around and do 500, and then it goes 500 pixels left right here. So there's lower right over here, just like this, and you can go around and pull this out right here, and then pull this out as well, and change around the shape of the footage as per how you like. So that is how you can work around with bend and corner pin effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.